I'm out of breath. I was just dancing. Let me get my shit together first, okay?
Yo, this shorty like, whoa, and I got to have her. Girl, I got a crush on you. What's your name, baby?
Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ayanna if you're new here, and if you're returning, you already know what it is, ho. No, I'm just playing. No, but welcome. I'm Ayanna. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video. Today we're going to be doing a braid out on wet hair. Well, it was wet. It's kind of drying out because I've been sitting here for a little minute, but I'm going to squirt it down. We're going to be doing a braid out on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Before we get started, I just want to ask, are you subscribed, sis? Bro, if it's a dude watching this, are you subscribed, baby boy? Subscribe, y'all. Help your girl out. I'm trying to come up in this YouTube world, you know, trying to get my subscribers up. I really enjoy doing this, and I really appreciate you guys for checking my video out. And I really appreciate it even more if you subscribe, and be sure to like and comment on this video or any of my videos and tell me what you think. You know, I really could use the help. So if you're new here, welcome. I hope you're here to stay, sis. I hope you like my vibe. I really appreciate you for watching. And like I said before, just hit subscribe. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So yeah, my hair is freshly washed. I used Lotta Body products. I brought the conditioner. I didn't bring the shampoo, but I used Lotta Body conditioner and shampoo. I'm actually using everything Lotta Body to do my hair today. I'm gonna do a braid out on wet hair. I have my water bottle here. I just have a regular water bottle. I don't have my mister today because my mister I always keep Jamaican castor oil in it, and I really only use that for washing goes, just because, you know, them washing goes be dry as hell sometimes. So yeah, and then I also am using the Moisturize Me curling style milk. I got this from my local beauty supply. I'm sure they probably have it everywhere, or you can get it from, I don't know, I've never seen Lotta Body in Target, but I'll find the description and tag it down below. And then I'll also have their Refine Me Curly Defining Mousse. Okay, there you go. It's focused. So yeah, so that's what I'm using today. I have my, I already detangled my hair. So you see here in the comb, I have my wide tooth comb here that I use to always detangle my hair, and just my paddle brush here from Expressions. I've already sectioned my hair. I'm gonna do about 8 braids, I think. So yeah, this part of my hair is drying so fast, but let me tell you, my hair takes like 75 days to dry. Like, no, for real, it takes so long to dry because when I do my hair for these videos, or when I got something to do, it dries really fast, and I needed to stay wet to be able to do this. So I'm kind of like, WTF. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and squirt this down. And I'm no master braider. I really don't know how to French braid. It took me forever to learn the little skills that I do have, which is not a skill, because it's actually very sad how, you know, what type of black girl am I that don't know how to French braid, especially your own hair. I just was never never interested, never taught. Always got my hair done. So, but we learning new things, especially since we in quarantine. I French braided my hair once, maybe like 4 years ago, I believe. It was cute though. I did a good job, but I haven't did it since then, so who knows what these skills are like, you know. But yeah, I just went ahead and, hair stuck all on my hand, went ahead and wet it down. Then I take my brush and make sure it's just detangled. When you do braid outs and twist outs, you want to make sure your hair is really straight, like no kinks or anything, especially if you're like me and don't know how to braid. And make sure it's wet. Just wet this down. I'm gonna go in with the curling, the Moisture Me curling style milk. I like this. I use this sometimes when I do flexi rods. But what I love most about this is it has a pump. You know, you don't gotta be grabbing it with your hands all moisturized and greasy and stuff. And when you're done with your hair and touching it, you know, it don't feel like all gross. I don't like stuff on my hands. I'm a texture person, as you can see. Like I just said, I don't like water running down my legs and stuff. So yeah, anything with a pump, I'm all for. I think all hair products should be with a pump. Makes things a lot easier, especially for me. So, I guess I should have showed y'all how much I use. I just use 1 pump, but I'll show you on the next braid. Just making sure it's distributed evening through. Shaking the mousse up just to get the foamy part out. I'm going to use 1 pump of this also. 1 pump. and make sure it's evenly, like I said, distributed. My hair is straight, so I'm just gonna go in and braid now. I forgot how to do this shit. I should have practiced this before I started this video, huh? I didn't, so bear with me. So yeah, I'm just gonna 3-strand braid. How else can you braid, Yana? Start from the top and then scoop a piece under. So I don't know if this is a French braid, but this is as good as it's gonna get, cause you know, I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, okay, so just gonna go ahead and continue to braid down. I think I got it. Can y'all see? So yeah, so now I'm just gonna take the end, twirl it around my finger, and coil it. So I'm going to continue the process all around my hair. I might split these sections into 2, just depending on how thick it feels. And then I'll come back to you when I'm done with that. Excuse me. If you see me looking up, oh, I just burped, disgusting. If you see me looking up, I'm watching, I'm watching Claws. I just got hip to this show. Well, not hip, I've seen it before. It looked kind of ghetto to me, but it's good. It is kind of ghetto, but it's funny. Well, season 1 and 2 was good. I didn't like the first episode, but the rest of the shows of season 1 and 2 are good. 3 is kind of like iffy. It's kind of like Jerry Springer-ish TV to me, but you know, I want to finish it out because I do like the characters. So yeah, that's what I'm watching. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Be back. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I'm almost done. Most important thing when you're doing this is make sure your hair is detangled while you're doing this. If you got to stop and brush it out or comb it out or whatever you decide to use, be sure to do that, because yeah, that's going to cause a lot of frizz in your hair if it's not straight, and it's harder to braid if it's not straight. So definitely helps you out. So keep your little tangle teeth brush or whatever you use right in front of you, because you're going to need it. Okay, so I'm all done with the braids. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I French braided the best that I could. Hopefully it still turns out right. I'm gonna take some mousse, a pump of mousse, and a pump of the moisture milk together in my hand and rub it together, just to get my scalp nice and moisturized. Before I did this, I did have leave-in conditioner in my hair that I showed you in the beginning of the video, that Lotta Body. I used that as a leave-in prior to this. I'm just going to take a little bit of the milk, just don't want it to be dry, and go over the braids with a, just put some in between 2 fingers and to go over the braids. Okay, y'all, so yeah, here's my braids looking like Snoop Dogg right now. But anyway, this is it for now. I'm probably gonna sleep in this overnight and sit on a dryer, because it takes forever for my hair to dry, like I said. So I'll see you guys back tomorrow with the outcome, and we'll take it down together. So see you then. Okay, so I'm back. It is the next day. It is Saturday. I slept overnight with the braids, and then I slept overnight and let them air dry, and then I set them under the dryer today for about 2 hours. So the braids have been in for about 24 hours. If I didn't sit under the dryer, my hair would still be soaking wet, but I did sit under the dryer, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them down. I'm gonna use this weightless healing oil treatment from OGX. I love this. It smells really good and it's lightweight. They also have it in the spray formula, but I don't know where it says, in the other room, I guess, but yeah. So I'm just gonna pour some on my hand, rub it together, just so that it's not so rough when taking the braids down. I did put rubber bands on after the video, because I was just too nervous that, I should have brought my rat tail comb, too nervous that the braids were gonna come unraveled and all of my hard work would have went to waste, honey, and ain't nobody got time for that, okay? I'd have been highly upset. If it has the chance to come out cute, I want it to, you know, not to, I'm sleeping and I wake up looking like Shaka Khan because my braids unraveled, I'd be really pissed. So I'm just gonna start from the bottom. So it looks like they're coming out pretty cute. So yeah, I think it's gonna be cute. So I'm just gonna continue to take down the braids all around. Fast forward through this so you guys can see the outcome. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm on my last braid and so far so good. I like it. It looks really pretty to me. I mean, of course I have to like do my edges and fluff it out and stuff, but just the way that it turned out, the texture and everything looks really good. I'm just taking my finger through each little braid insert and pulling my nail through. If you don't have nails, then you just use your bare hand, or you can use a rat tail comb. So yeah, these are the results. The formation, the curls look really good. My hair looks jet black today. I love that. I really need some color. It needs to be black. It looks gray to me, but this is the back. So yeah, I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out and do my edges and stuff, and then I'll come back and show you the final look. Thanks. Bam! No, I'm just kidding. Okay guys, so I'm back. I love it. I love the braid out comb. It's not as big as I normally wear my hair, and it looks super, it is natural, but it just looks super natural. See the texture, the formation of the curls, just nice and pretty. It's just super duper cute. And I did a little makeup, you know, just to get cute for the living room, get ready to watch a movie or have a little cocktail here and there, you know. My wine. But yeah, this is the outcome. I hope you like it. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, let me turn around and show you the back. I didn't fluff the back as much because I couldn't see, and honestly I didn't feel like going to get my other mirror, so just is what it is. But it's super pretty. I use my pick, plastic pick, to fluff. These are $1 from Dollar Tree, or I believe they're 99 cents even at the beauty supply store, your local beauty supply store. But yeah, this is the final look. So sis, if you like it, be sure to give the videos this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know your braid out routine, what products you use, and if you would like to see, I should have fluffed it out on the video, sorry guys, but I was in the bathroom doing my makeup and I was just like, okay, let me just fluff my hair now. If you like to see the fluff out process, leave a comment down below, and then I can redo this, you know, in a couple days, rebraid it and show you the fluff out process and everything. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you stopped by. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.